Admiral Tibet, lifestyle, music career, and net worth. Lifestyle. Admiral Tibet, born Kenneth Allen, is a legendary Jamaican reggae artist renowned for his conscious lyrics and smooth vocal delivery. Unlike many artists who seek fame and fortune, Tibet has maintained a low-profile lifestyle, staying true to his roots and values. He is known for his humility, discipline, and commitment to Rastafarian principles, which reflect in both his personal life and music. Unlike some reggae and dancehall artists who embrace flashy lifestyles, Admiral Tibet leads a simple and peaceful life. He avoids controversies and remains dedicated to spreading messages of unity, righteousness, and social awareness. His strong belief in morality and justice has kept him grounded, making him a respected figure in the reggae community. Although not as commercially mainstream as some reggae stars, Admiral Tibet continues to earn respect for his unwavering dedication to conscious music. He spends much of his time focusing on personal growth, spirituality, and uplifting his community through reggae's powerful messages. Music career. Admiral Tibet began his musical journey in the 1980s, a golden era for conscious reggae. He emerged at a time when dancehall was gaining popularity, but he chose to stick to his roots of cultural and uplifting music. With his smooth, melodic voice and insightful lyrics, he quickly gained recognition as one of the most influential conscious reggae artists. His breakthrough came with the song "Serious Time," which became a major hit in Jamaica and internationally. The song urged people to reflect on their actions during challenging times, resonating with audiences who appreciated his socially conscious approach. Other notable songs from his extensive catalog include "Leave People Business," a song advising people to focus on themselves instead of interfering in others' lives. "Babylon War," a powerful track addressing the struggles and oppression caused by corrupt systems. "Victim of Babylon," highlighting the injustices faced by the oppressed. "Deceiving Girl," a song about betrayal and dishonesty in relationships. Admiral Tibet worked with some of Jamaica's greatest producers, including King Jammy, Bobby Digital, and Gussie Clarke, who helped shape his sound. His style was often compared to fellow conscious reggae artists like Luciano, Garnett Silk, and Tony Rebel, who also focused on spreading positive and meaningful messages through music. Throughout his career, Admiral Tibet has performed on major reggae stages worldwide, captivating audiences with his smooth vocals and conscious lyrics. Even decades after his debut, his music continues to inspire new generations, and his timeless hits remain relevant in reggae circles. Net worth. Admiral Tibet's estimated net worth is between $500,000 and $1 million, primarily from music sales, live performances, and royalties. Though he may not have achieved the commercial success of mainstream reggae artists like Bob Marley, Shaggy, or Sean Paul, his influence in conscious reggae is undeniable. His legacy remains intact as one of the most authentic voices in reggae. He continues to record and perform, ensuring that the genre's uplifting and socially aware messages reach future generations. Despite changing musical trends, Admiral Tibet's music remains a powerful force in reggae history.